Sound like bumping. Oh my God.
Install way over there. Rubber grommet through the seal, because if we did it the other way, it would have showed the wire. We want to make it a clean install. I guess workmanship, workability looks great. It does have a GPS on it. We'll see how that works. Bye.
I had to take a video. Typing a review wasn't going to do it for my red Tiger. I got chased down yesterday by a gentleman who said I ran him into a bridge. We stopped. I let him call the police because I had the comfort of my camera here and in the rear. Sure enough, insurance company called me this morning. We pulled the videos up. I clearly made no contact. The gentleman didn't hit anything. You just see him get behind me and start flashing his lights and blowing his horn. And the whole conversation, as the camera kept running, of him jumping out of his car and talking about getting run into a bridge. And the camera saved me. Thanks, Red Tiger.
Dash cam. I've had this dash cam for over a year and it is great. I installed the back one too. My grandfather and my mom also have the same dash cam and they love it. What's awesome about it is that the quality is so great, especially once you download it through your phone on the app. The quality picks up the license plates, even like face features. It's very good quality, especially for the price, because I bought cameras that were over like 300 and they didn't last long. I've had this camera for over a year and it's great. That's what it looks like. It has a suction cup up here, which is awesome because all my other cameras had the sticker and would leave marks. The suction cup is great and it's removable. The back does have a sticker. I need to fix the wire hanging there, but the back does have a sticker, but it's not gonna mess up the window. It's like a 3M sticker. But yes, highly recommend. I tell everybody to get this dash cam.